be true or false. So here they are not asked us to state the reasons to say whether it is true or false. Just mark true or false before that, children. I will tell it orally now. You please mark it in the text work. Write it in the class work as well. First question, cube of any odd number is even. Is it possible? Any odd number's cube root, can it be an even number, children? No, it is false. Second question, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. It is false. Why? A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros, they are telling. Perfect cube, why does not it end with 2 zeros? Why? Because, children, it is even, odd numbers which we will get usually, no? So it cannot end with 2 zeros. 1 zero possibility is there. 2 zeros it cannot end with. But square numbers it can end with 2 zero. Best example is number 100, which has 2 zeros in the end. So it is false. Sorry, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. It does not, they have given, I'm sorry children, I thought it ended with 2 zeros. So it is true. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. Yes, it is true statement. Third question, there is a mistake. Caught the word square there and write cube. If cube of a number ends with 5, then its cube ends with 25. It is wrong. 5 in the end ಆದರೆ 5 square 25 square end ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but cube it cannot end. So again it is false statement. Fourth question, there is no perfect cube which ends with 8. Is it so? No, we have number 2. What is 2 cube? It is perfectly 8. So we have a perfect cube which ends with 8 in the end, in its unit place. So the statement is false. Fifth question, the cube of 2-digit numbers may be a 3-digit number. Is it possible when you take the cube of any two-digit number, how can you get 3-digit number, children? It is not possible. So it is false. Sixth one, the cube of a 2-digit number may be a 7 or more digits. Is it possible? If you say check with 10 cube, what is 10 cube? 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. So if you multiply a 2-digit number 3 times, that is cube of a 2-digit number 10 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, we are getting 4 digits here. 1000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ it consists of 4 digits in it. 7 or more ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So again it is false statement. Seventh, the last one is the cube of a single digit number may be a single digit number. Yes, the cube of single digit may be a single digit number. Say 2 cube andre 8. 2 nu single digit, 8 single digit. Hange 1 cube antandre again it is 1. Like this, it depends, children. So single number do single number irbodu cube root anta they are telling. It is correct. So in this true or false, children, only second and seventh statements are true, rest all are false. Why? I have explained you. So please put it in your class work. Third main, you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is its cube root? So they are telling us the number 1331 is a perfect cube, it seems. They are asking us to check whether it is perfect cube or not. But also they are including that don't use this prime factorization method to solve. Then how to find out? I taught you 2 methods to find the square root. Sorry, cube root. I am still in square root, children. Cube root of any number. So let us follow that second method, estimation, rough estimation method, in order to find the cube root of that 1331, as well as they are given similarly guess the cube roots of 4913, 1216, 113, 2768. I will clean the board and then solve it for you. So children, we shall continue with the third main now. Here we have 4 problems totally. For all these 4 numbers, we have to find the cube root, but without using prime factorization method. So I already taught you the estimation method. I have explained the example problem. Let us follow the same steps for all the 4 problems. First step is write down the given question. Write units and tens place ready. Okay, so I will do simultaneously for all the problems now. Units and tens places. 1, 2, 1, 6, 7. Again units and tens place itkotini. 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Again units and tens place. I will write and keep ready. Please follow the steps. After writing the numbers, next step is, children, group them right from right hand side. Group three numbers from right hand side. So this is right hand side, this is left hand side, and the units place in the, if it is right hand side, left hand side is confusing for you, unit place in the three digits na group madi. So here totally 4 digits are there in 1331. So if I group first 3 digits from unit place, 133 agoitu, but I am left with only single digit 1. No problem, let it be. Next step, so ella problem allu madla, hange illi units place inda andre 319 bantu, 4 single ide. Hange illi 761 group madidre 2 digits I got. Any number let it be, don't worry, 2 and 1. Similarly, if I group 768, I am left with 2 digits, 2 and 3 here. Like this, you group from units place 3 digits. After that, next step, write the first set of numbers. Andre units place in the start madi 3 digits group ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆ numbers na you should write. Here it is 913. Here it is 167, and here it is 768. So group ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 3 digits first ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ units place ಇಂದ, ಆ digits na you should write, children. Now one problem only I will solve, it will confuse for you. Okay, each will be different. So till now same step. So in the children, after writing the first set, if you want you write first set is 331. What is there in the units place of 331 anta check. You have 1, which is a prime number. So 1 is there. Now it is not considered as a prime number, children. Okay na? So 1 bantu. 1 is divisible by itself. So what we will do is, e units place alli 1 anta we will write. So this part work is over. Leave it. Now consider second set of number. There we have only 1 digit, 1. Isn't it? So here no need of doing anything, isn't it? Why? First, next step what we should do, children, whatever number we get in the second grouping, that number lies between cube of which 2 numbers anta now find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ no need of doing anything like that. 1 bantu andre simply in tens place also we will be writing 1 itself. So totally how much did we get? 1 and 1 is, don't add, it is 11 anta. So cube root of 1331 is 11 anta you will find out the answer. Units place 10 place adu add madbadu, so it is 11. So easily we find it out, but those problems are little. Next we have 913. Again observe what is there in the units place of 913. We have 3. 3 is a prime number and it is divisible by itself. So no need to do anything. First set alli 913 ide, children. Unit place al 3 ide, that you cannot further do anything because it is a prime number. I wrote that in the units place. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, second group of terms na I will take which I have only 1 digit, that is 4. Here if you check in units place I have number 3. I already said you while solving the example problem, children, if at all the cube root of any number, this value is cube root, we are finding out cube root of this number. So cube root of any number has 3 or 7 in units place, then what we should do, if we have 3 in units place, its cube number or its cube root in units place will have number 7. If we have 7 in units place of cube root of a number, then its unit place will have number 3 anta nan helde, already I explained you how. So if I have in units place number 3, children, I should write in units place number 7. After that, the work of first part of set of number is over. Second set alli what do we have? We have number 4. Here we got 1 which is divisible by itself andre, so no need to do anything, directly we wrote it in tens place. But illi 4 there, 4 I cannot write directly. Now what you should do is, whatever number we get here, that number lies between perfect cube of which 2 numbers we should find out. Andre ಈಗ 4 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಯಾವ ಟೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is 1. So which is less than 4. So after 1 next immediate cube eno 2 cube which is 8. Isn't it children? So this number 4 lies between 1 and 8. Andre 1 cube and 2 cube anta. If it is confusing, don't go to write this. Athwa idan barde idan bariri. That is correct. Idu barilebedi first. It lies between 1 cube which is 1 and next cube immediate cube is 2 cube which is 8. 1 andre 1 cube is less than 4 which is less than 2 cube. Idadmele children, don't worry about this powers. I already explained you this step. Cube na martbidi for time being. Alaspardo martbidi anta. Now look at the numbers. 1 and 2 I have. Among 1 and 2, which is the smallest number? Obviously 1 is the smallest number. Andre whatever the smallest number I get, that should be written in the tens place. So totally from units and tens place, what number did we get? We got number 17. Hence here you will write cube root of 4913 is 17 anta. Like this you should do. So 1 banbitre athwa 5 bandre prime numbers bandre, you can write it directly in tens place children. Sorry, in units place. If at all you get number like 3 and 7, 3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಹಂಗೇನೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆ ಟೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ನಂಬರ್, ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್. Now in the third problem, we have written number 167, isn't it? Now first set of number is 167. Check the units place of this number. What do we have? 7. Just now I said units place al 3 idre ee units al 7 baritira. Unit place al 7 idre in this unit place you will write 3. So job of first term is done. See, so easy. Ega I will consider the second term which is 12. Till now we had only single digit children, but now we have two digits 12. So ega e 12 lies between which two perfect cubes anta we should find out. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಿದೆ 2 cube 8. 8 ತುಂಬಾ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 cube if you go, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, which is very much more than 12. So we should go with 2 cube which is less than 12. Hope you know these signs. ಈ beak ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ open ಇದೆಯೋ children, that is greater ಅಂತ. 4 is greater than 1, so 4 kade beak open, but 8 is greater than 4, so beak open. Duck beak, whichever side it is open, that side is greater number anta. So 12 is in between 2 cube and beda hing bariyadu anta ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Now 2 cube is 8 and what is 3 cube? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 12 lies between 8 and 27, where 8 is perfect cube of 2. Same symbol, same number, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. 8 ನ 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 27 ನ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ I did. Now among 2 and 3, which is the smallest number? Obviously 2 is smaller number. Don't worry about the cubes ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ and write it in tens place. So we got 2300 children. Cube root of 12,167 is 23. So easy method. This is not than prime factorization. This method is easy to find out the square root. Now last problem we will come. First set of number A, 768. Now look at the units place. In the units place we have 8. We know 8 is a perfect cube. Why? We know how the cube root of 8 is 2, no children. ಆ ಥರ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 8 is 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, that 2 whatever we get the cube root value, that has to be written in units place. So first part work over. Second part ಅಲ್ಲಿ again we have two digits which is 32. Now we have to find out 32 lies between which two perfect cubes ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗಿದೆ 3 cube is 27. So 27 32 ಗಿಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. Next 4 cube 3 cube ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. 4 cube is what? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So 32 lies between 27 and 64. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋತಿರಲ್ಲ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, that immediate next number only should be written here. 3 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಂತು, 2 ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ what is 27? It is clearly 3 cube which is less than 32 less than 64 andre I can write it as 4. See 3 ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ 4. Next number ತಗೋಬೇಕು, immediate next numbers cube you should take. Now forget the cubes for now. 3 and 4 numbers you concentrate. Among 3 and 4 which is smaller number? Obviously 3 is smaller than 4 andre 3 should be written in tens place. Therefore children, cube root of 32,768 is 32. So like this you should solve or find the cube root of given number by estimation method and not actually doing the right factorization method in order to find out. Please follow the steps and practice. It is not that difficult, easily you can solve. Now let me check with your textbook. Yes, so this ends the exercise 1.2 as well as the chapter cubes and cube roots. So please solve it and complete your classwork children. Next session, since it is continuously I am doing arithmetic, next we will be starting with exponents and powers, which is very interesting lesson, second lesson in your textbook. Till then, watch the videos as and when you receive the notifications and complete the classwork. Any doubts you can clarify with me. Shortly we will be meeting in the online class. Thank you children.